like when you're leaving me. Should I? This is your turn.
Maybe I get drunk again. I'll be drunk again. I'll be drunk again.
I've just seen these visuals. I never get to see my screen, but oh my god, it couldn't be more literal than that, could it? My god.
Feel a little love. I wanna hold your heart in both hands. This is the bottom of the cold can, and I got no plans for the weekend. Should we speak then?